Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change to metric system in Strava. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Strava application and just simply log in into your account. And after that, just simply go to the U on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, once you are here on the U, you should be able to see the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. So just simply go ahead and tap on that. And now from here, just simply scroll down, guys, until you see over here display. So just simply go ahead and tap on display. And from here, you will have multiple options. You should be able to see here the unit of measure. So you can change it to metric or imperial. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And you can also change the temperature as well over here to Celsius to Fahrenheit. And you will have the default tab as well. And from there, you will be able to change the metric system. And pretty much that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.